Hello everyone, we are here at Balay Isabel in Batangas to celebrate my birthday, special day with my family. Here is our room 101. Here is the room, very nice. Okay, dito kami nag-celebrate. Hello, anak! Okay. Princess! Hello! Hi, mga anak! Salamat sa treat niyo sa akin on my birthday. This is my special day. Yubo! Hi! Okay. Nabidyohan na. God bless everyone!
Hello!
Yubo! You take video.
Hello, Lolo.
Hello everyone, we're here at Balay Isabel in Batangas to celebrate my birthday, special day with my family. God bless everyone! Hey, God bless everyone! Princess! Hello, Princess! Okay.
Mas parang malaki lang. Mas homey ito.
Yay! Let's eat our lunch day. Mamaya mag-swimming na kami sa resort. Okay.